Hi friends, welcome to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in CREO software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. You can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model in CREO software. The base dimensions is 100 by 50 and 10 mm thickness. New part solid, give the part name whatever you want, select the MMNS part solid ABS, okay, select plane, sketch view, select center rectangle, give the dimension 100 by 50. Finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, go to view, change to shaded with edges. Okay, you can see there is a one flange top of that base. The dimension is 40 and radius is 20, and also one more hole is here. Hole diameter is 20 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, select the circle, give the dimension 40. This is also 40. This is 20. Select line, okay, delete segment, give the tangent constraints. You can see the dimension. One more hole is here, 20 mm. Okay, select extrude, reverse. Here we can select, already it has taken by default up to surface, click OK. Now you can see backside there is a rib is there, that is thickness is 10 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch view, select the line, okay, give the tangent. Here select references, okay, this already is there, this is also is there, select line, can trim this, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the position, 10 mm thickness. Visibility of the all planes. You can see friends, all the features are added. Now we can assign the material here. Appearances. Here some materials are mentioned: brass, aluminium, bronze, chrome. So which material you want to, you can select. Glass, aluminium. So I will go with PTC STD aluminium. Okay. Save the part. Okay. So that's it friends, today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.